Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm a new generation basketballer. And she has hosted so many basketball events. So, what's up for our guys?
How about you? You play basketball. This is beautiful, alright?
Thank you.
Your makeup. How many hours?
Just because we will not always time, like 12 hours.
And like 4 o'clock.
Yeah, about yes. Because we will not always time.
How many days did it take you to pick these clothes that you're wearing?
7 days.
1 week. It's German marvelous!
Now, so the top.
Seriously, we need to address some issues going on in our videos. We discover people are watching our videos, and you guys, if you to subscribe, one will go to Abeokuta, we'll go to Ibadan, we'll go to so many places. It's not easy. You want the video finish now, you just watch it. Some people don't even like, you don't even comment, you just go ping. With all my things, some of you will not stay, will like, please, meet that person, come and talk.
If I tell you all about my experience, where I'm just coming from, you guys will pity for me.
You know what? What this video, no subscribe, okay? Just go. Leave that.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video. And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video.